Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I have my Orglamix box for April. I know it's already mid-May by the time I'm uploading this, but I just got it in the mail. I'm gonna do it like I did it last time. I already peeked in the box. I know what's in it so that I knew which things to try on my face, what not to put on my face, and we're just gonna play with the products. I really enjoyed doing it that way. It gave me a better feel for the products instead of me just judging them right off the bat. I got a better idea on what I was actually gonna like. Let's just talk about the box itself. If you've already been here before, you've already heard this a million times, so I am so sorry. Orglamix is an indie brand. They offer a subscription box service. It is $29 a month. You get 4 to 6 full-size products, all from the brand. They are all cruelty-free, all handmade, and I will have more details listed down below, as well as a link to sign up if you are interested. It is not an affiliate link. I don't gain anything from it. It is just for you, just to make your life a little easier. Orglamix does send these boxes my way, but all of my thoughts are my own. I will not lie. And if you've seen my past ones, you know I definitely don't love everything that I get in the boxes. But for the most part, I really enjoy this brand. You get really cute, quirky things. I get things that I'm always surprised about. But moving on, let's just dive right in. The theme this month is Palm Beach. A tropical pop of color, nude shimmer, and a hint of salty sea air will inspire you to create endless looks as far as your imagination leads you. From soft and natural to colorful, vibrant, and bold. And this is also talking about Lily Pulitzer. I'm assuming that this box is just kind of inspired by that brand with the tropical colors, the palm trees, pink flamingos, all the things like that. Zane's family's obsessed with Lily Pulitzer, so I'm familiar. It's not quite my style, obviously. I'm the opposite of tropical. And then on the inside of the card, you have all the information on the products that you got. I got 5 things this month. The first thing that I got are the Watermelon Micellar Makeup Removing Pads. These retail for $15. I guess they kind of do smell like watermelon. I mean, they smell like watermelon mixed with like a makeup remover, but it's not bad. I obviously don't really have anything on my face today. I have my eyebrows, I have concealer and powder just where my concealer laid. But I did use these last night because I got the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy collection in the mail and I wanted to swatch everything. This pad, one single pad on one single side, took everything off with such ease. I will use these for a couple nights to take off my makeup, and I will remember to leave a note down in the description box or in the comments letting you know if they irritated my skin or burned my eyes or anything like that. Next, I got this Bonfire Beach Solid Perfume. I've gotten 2 or 3 of their solid perfumes and they're really nice. Ooh, it smells good. All of their perfumes just remind me of a candle from Yankee Candle. This retails for $9. The card says it's supposed to smell like toasted marshmallow smoldering over white flint and sandalwood, harmonized with salty sea air and ocean spray. I guess I can see that. It does smell marshmallowy and kind of earthy. I just like to dip my finger in it and just apply it to my wrist. This might be my favorite solid perfume they've sent me so far. I enjoy the smell. It's not too fruity or overpowering. Moving on to the next one, we have the Pina Colada Lip Scrub. This also retails for $9. It just says it's going to buff and polish my lips, leave them moisturized and soft. I hope it's not too overpowering. I'm not a huge Pina Colada person. Whew. I can't tell if it's too much pineapple or too much coconut. It's not bad, but I'm not a coconut fan. It looks like this. It's just this grainy gold color. It doesn't taste as overpoweringly pineapple-y coconut as it smells. And it actually feels really soft on my lips, kind of instantly. 2 more things to go. Pink Flamingo Lip and Cheek Jelly. This retails for $18. Has little flamingos on it. I'm gonna assume it's gonna be hot pink because it's called flamingos. Yeah, that's a flamingo in a tube. Bright, bright pink. Blended out, it might not be so bad. I'm okay with bright pink. I like blush. If you guys have been here for a while and seen my other Orglamix videos, you know I've gotten these jelly lip and cheek products before, and I honestly haven't even used any of them because I'm just not a cream blush person, but I also don't use cream blush, so maybe I don't know what I am. I'm just taking a little bit on my finger, just kind of pat it around. It kind of gives me that I've been sucking on a popsicle mouth, and it's really cute. So we're gonna try it on my cheeks now. I'm just taking some more on my finger. So I'm just gonna kind of pat this in. That's the look. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and kind of blend this out. I don't think that's working. I'm gonna use my finger. Finger seems to be doing better, not the beauty blender, which is weird. I'm not used to using my finger. This feels like it's setting down kind of quick, so trying to work a little bit fast. I probably should have done one cheek at a time. That's not bad, actually. Once it's actually on my face, it doesn't feel any more sticky than my moisturizer that's on my face. I don't hate it. I don't know if I love it, but I don't hate it. Last, we have the Nudist Instant Glow Luminizer. This also retails for $18. Looks like that. It feels really greasy. Ooh, do you see that? That kind of gives you that sweaty but in a cute way look. You know, that look that people go for? Oh my gosh. That is really pretty. And it literally, I'm just patting it in. Oh my goodness. It literally just looks like I'm naturally kind of glowy and sweaty. But I love it. I love that. Guys, I'm really liking that. It kind of feels like the cheek jelly before it dried down, and the cheek jelly is pretty dried down, by the way. Oh my gosh, isn't that so pretty, guys? What? It really just looks like I'm just glowy and healthy, and especially I feel like paired with this lip where it's not too lip colored. I feel like I just look really fresh-faced and youthful. I feel like those men that don't know what they're talking about would just assume that this is just what I look like all the time, you know? Woke up like this. Okay. Orglamix, I think you killed it this time. I think I love every item. Am I wrong about cream blushes? Apparently I thought I hated them when I didn't even know. I don't even think I'd tried a cream blush in my life when I was judging them before. So, way to go, Betty Jean. You missed an opportunity. But that is it. Thank you for joining me with this little box. I am so thrilled that this one was good. If you guys get this box, let me know what you thought of the products. Let me know what you thought of them just watching me play with them. Are you interested in this box? Are you interested in the products? Let me know. Let's do some chatting. I love this box so much. Thank you, Orglamix, for sending it to me as always. If you're not already, please hop over to Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every 2 to 3 days. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye. Today I have my April that was really loud and obnoxious, sorry. The super moist, look at his face. I know it's loud out there. My lights are bright, I'm so sorry.